and a very good morning to all our viewers. You're watching the morning news show on CNN News 18 and I'm Sakshi Singh Litoria. Over the next 60 minutes, we'll be walking you through all the latest news and headlines from the nation and across the globe. At the top of this segment, we'll be talking to you about big updates with regards to the cyclone Remal that has already made a landfall between the coasts of West Bengal and Bangladesh, unleashing winds up to 135 kilometers per hour. Now, the storm brought torrential rains, flooding homes and farmlands, leaving widespread destruction in its wake. Overnight rainfall, in fact, left road inundated in Kolkata. One person even was reported dead in the city. Remember, over 1 lakh people were evacuated from vulnerable areas in West Bengal before the cyclone in fact struck. We have CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen Gupta joining us live on the broadcast straight from New Town of Kolkata. Kamalika, a very good morning to you. Just a quick update about the destruction that has happened there because of the cyclone and all the work that is being put in place in order to bring back normalcy.
More than 1 lakh people have been rescued yesterday since the warning was for a long time. So that is one good thing. One person has died in Kolkata when he went out when the Remal landfall was taking place. Right now we are in New Town, Kolkata, and you can see that there is a waterlogging, and today is a Monday. So for commuters it's a very big problem because there has been huge number of trees have been uprooted in various parts of Kolkata, South 24 Pargana, North 24 Pargana, East Mednipur. Specifically, the worst affected area is Sagar Island. In between Sagar Island and Kepipada of Bangladesh, this landfall took the path of the Remal was that, and the landfall took place in Mongla in Bangladesh. Though it's now weakening, but still there has been a lot of havoc out there. In Kolkata also, you can see that waterlogging has taken place, and metro services now also have been affected along with train services because there has been waterlogging on metro tracks too. So there today for the commuters of Kolkata also, today is a Monday, it's an office day. It is going to be a very big problem for them because waterlogging is there everywhere, and top of that the trains are not, there's various trains, local trains have been cancelled, and also the metro services have been, certain metro services are interrupted. So that's a very big problem. On the other hand, we know that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he has held an emergency meeting yesterday. Also, we know that Amit Shah, he has spoken to the NDRF and the officials out there. He has tweeted. Jagat Prashad Nadda has tweeted. On the other hand, Mamata Banerjee has also tweeted and advised everybody not to come out of the house. Continuously, the state administration is also doing meeting after meeting. In every district, there has been special monitoring cell which has been opened. What is going in the rescue centers, what's happening there, that also been monitored. So both the state government and the central government all are there on this cyclone. The last phase of election is on 1st June. And the places which are worst affected, those places will go for polls. So that is another thing. But right now, rescue operation and making the life normal is the first priority of administration.
Definitely, Kamalika, and just to understand that in a better manner, could you just walk us through if there are any post-destruction alert that has been issued by the IMD or any of the local authorities or administration? Kamalika, can you hear me? All right, I think... Kamalika, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So, Kamalika, I was asking if there are any alerts that has been issued for the people over there post-destruction by the IMD or maybe the local authorities or administration?
See, red alert is also there because in Kolkata and in North and South 24 Parganas, in Mednipur, because heavy to heavy rainfall will still continue today. Though the landfall has taken place and Remal has weakened in Bangladesh, but the effect will be there here, and heavy to heavy rainfall has been actually alerted. So obviously people should not come out, but today it's a Monday, they have to come out. So all these things are there, and now you know the people in rescue centers. A lot of houses have been damaged in the Sagar block and also in South 24 Parganas. So that is a very big problem in that side.
Right, Kamalika. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial details. We'll request you to please stay at a safer place. Right now, we have got a ground report lined up for our viewers. Let's take a look at that as well.
It's been heavily raining since last night. Remal has done its landfall in Bangladesh, but here in Kolkata, also in South 24 Pargana, North 24 Pargana, East Mednipur, it has created a havoc. Various places, trees have been uprooted in Kolkata and adjoining areas. And the NDRF, 14 company NDRF team, they are working on it. Local administration is working on it. Here in Newtown, where we are standing, here the NKD authorities, the local authorities, they are also working hard here, and definitely now though the cyclone has weakened because the landfall has taken place, now the devastation is there everywhere. The trees have been uprooted in various places. Water logging is there. ये बताइए दादा कि कितना यहाँ पे ऐसा पेड़ टूटा हुआ है?
बहुत है।
बहुत, चारों ओर। तो आप लोग कब से काम कर रहे हैं?
कल रात से।
कल रात से ही पूरा कितना अभी तक हटाया?
वो तो बहुत है।
बहुत है। और ये बहुत टाइम भी लग रहा है।
टाइम है, काटा मारा पूरे अच्छे।
ओ, हाथ भी कट गया आपका?
कट गया।
So what they are saying, you can see the team of the administrative team. They are going everywhere. They're saying that it is various places trees have been uprooted and it is difficult for them. They are working 24/7.
बहुत बुरा हो रहा है। हम लोग ड्यूटी आने जाने में बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है। मार्केट भी बहुत आजकल मंदा चल रहा है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा मौसम का तो बहुत बुरा हाल है।
इधर का मौसम तो खूब मौसम बिगड़ गया, लेकिन बारिश ज़्यादा ही हो रहा था और बातास आ रहा था। पानी तो थोड़ा अभी भी समुंदर पानी बहुत दूर आ गया, ठीक है। और इधर मैं डर के था, कोई आदमी इस ग्राम डर के था जब पानी अब आएगा क्या होगा, लेकिन हम इधर से सुरक्षित है, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ ऐसा।
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.